Hey guys, we received this King Lucky LED phone light for test and try. It's a selfie light with a inbuilt 2000 milliampere rechargeable clip for the video light or adjusted 3 light modes. So let me just open the box and show it to you. So this one is actually a small light that you can put on a camera or mobile or a mobile stand or the blogging or any other places so that you can have a flash or the light on your face. So you can see like it have a rechargeable battery, and the additional thing you can control the brightness through the side button and also like the other color tones. So it's a bright light that I can see it here. So this is manual and the other accessory things. So this have this adjustable stand or the clip that you can use it with the light. So here like this is the stand for the mobile or any other place, or you can just put the light on this top and then this will come on as a clip. You can put on the clip on your mobile and this hole is through for the camera, and then you can just put this light on. So it's very helpful thing to put this. You can use it horizontally or vertically because the both side, and then have fun with this light.